everyone, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to work the stitches for the dovetail wrap. So in this example, I've used a size 1 fine yarn, but for the tutorial today, I'm going to use a larger yarn, a size 4, so that it's easier to see. So we're going to start out with a foundation chain that is a multiple of 6 chains plus 2, and this is 26 for our example. Okay, let's get started with row 1. Okay, first thing you need to do is single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we're going to work our 3 double crochet puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. You have 3 loops left on your hook now. Yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And we'll do that again. Chain 3, skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain you'll single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to work our 3 double crochet puff stitch again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, 2 more times, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 4 loops, chain 3, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 chain, in the next chain 3 double crochet puff stitch, yarn over and draw through all 4 loops, chain 3, skip 3 chains, in the 4th chain single crochet, okay, let's do that one more time, chain 3, skip 1 chain, 3 double crochet puff stitch, yarn over and draw through 4 loops, chain 3, skip 3 chains, and in the last chain single crochet. There you have it for row 1. The written instructions are available on my blog. I'll put the link down below in the description so that you can see the written pattern. Let's begin row 2. So we'll chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. Turn your work. So we're going to skip this first chain 3 space. And we're going to single crochet in the top of this puff stitch. Chain 3 again, 2, 3, and now we will 3 double crochet puff stitch in this chain 3 space. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space, yarn over, draw back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 more times, yarn over, insert into the space, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert and hook into chain 3 space, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Okay, chain 3, single crochet in the top of the 3 double crochet puff stitch, chain 3, work another 3 double crochet puff stitch into the chain 3 space, chain 3, skip this chain 3 space, work a single crochet in the top of the puff stitch, chain 3 again, 3 double crochet puff stitch, chain 3. When you get to the end of your row, single crochet in the top of the puff stitch, chain 3, and you're going to work another puff stitch in this chain 3 space. Very last stitch, you're going to triple crochet. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the single crochet, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 more loops, yarn over, draw through the last 2 loops. And there you have it for row 2. Let's move on to row 3. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in this first stitch that the chain 1 comes out of, chain 3, we're going to work another 3 double crochet puff stitch into this first chain 3 space. Chain 3, skip this chain 3 space, okay, and single crochet in the top of this puff stitch. Chain 3, work another puff stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the top of the next puff stitch, chain 3, work a puff stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the top of the next puff stitch, chain 3, another puff stitch in the chain 3 space, chain 3. Okay, so now we're down to the chain 6 that we started the previous row with. We're going to count up 3 chains, and in the 3rd chain you're going to single crochet to finish off this row. And this is row 3. Now for the pattern, you'll just continue to alternate row 2 and row 3, and you can make it whatever length you would like. And as you work, your 3 double crochet puff stitches will go in a straight line. Each row will go in a straight line, and they will stagger in a nice dovetail pattern. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos, please like and subscribe down below. Have a great day.